We're connecting PoCOM to a 2001 Porsche Boxster 986. So we've got the interface connected to the diagnostic socket. So the first thing we're going to do is do an auto scan. So if we pick the model from the list, yeah, 2001 model, so it's 986. It's now scanning through all of the systems on the car to see what it can talk to and what fault codes we've got around the whole car. This can take quite a bit of time as it's got a big list of possible ECUs fitted to this car to go through. And being a 2001, it's also using some of the slower diagnostic protocols, so systems are slower to respond. Right, it's found 6 systems so far. Right, so we've got a list of all the systems it's spoken to now, and you can see next to each of them it says how many fault codes. So luckily we've got no fault codes or anything but the engine, so we've got 2 fault codes. Let's have a look at what those are. So now if we go to read fault code memory, so we've got throttle adjuster and a DVE fault. We can clear these fault codes just to see if there were fluke occurrences. Oh, there's a DVE fault code has come straight back again, so we know that's a genuine fault that's still there. And it looks to be an electrical fault as the car's picked it up immediately without the engine running. We can also look at live data or measuring values. We've got a big list of live data here that we can have a look at. We had a throttle issue here, so let's have a look at some of the throttle values. So now if I press the pedal, there we go, you can see we are getting a reading and response there. Let's see which other throttle related values we've got and see how they change now when we press the pedal. So you can see we are getting some measurements from pressing the accelerator pedal. Just looking to see what other values we've got here that might help us with some of these fault codes. So this value here is not changing when we press the accelerator. Oh, these values are. So this just gives us some additional information that we can go and have a look and try and work out what's actually causing this fault. So I'll need to look at some tech data. But as always, if you'd like any more information on PoCOM or any of our other diagnostic products, please contact us at gendan.co.uk.